Welcome to today's digital market opening, where we are celebrating a new major listing on the NEO exchange, and we are talking today about major precious metals, an exploration and development company focusing on the coastal region in Greenland. We are very honored, very pleased, Tony and your team, to be able to welcome you. You are the second organization in the mining space, full-fledged organization in the mining space that is listing on NEO, and clearly, confirming our interest, intentions to grow our presence as a stock exchange in this space. We're very honored that you choose us for your graduation, moving from being a junior company to becoming now a senior company listed on a tier 1 Canadian stock exchange.
We at Major Precious Metals are also very excited to graduate our public listing to the tier 1 NEO exchange. We believe we have a globally relevant palladium and gold deposit at our Skaergaard Project in Greenland. And as we advance along the mine development cycle, we believe our listing on NEO will offer greater exposure and access to capital, which just simply isn't available on other junior exchanges. And also we believe that the active investor marketing program we will now initiate in conjunction with our friends at NEO will help us build brand awareness and share trading activity, and will provide our investors with enhanced liquidity on a fair and transparent trading platform. This partnership with NEO, we think, is another step in building on the strong foundations we've already established, and will provide a secure platform for growth as our company and our project develops.
We would like to present you with a unique piece of art, and that piece of art has been commissioned through our partnership with the Ontario College of Art and Design University. And today's artist is Emma Wright. She's a textile artist, recent grad of OCAT U, and she's the one who created your piece.
I was very drawn to the specific place of where you are mining. So I really wanted to create an artwork that was based off of that specific location by representing that in the landscapes, and also through the threads and the colors that I have chosen. So I've chosen a lot of warm, soft, earthy tones that has helped to create a feel of preciousness that some metals may have as well, and also the earth tones that are being there in the mining site.
That's very compelling, Emma. Thank you so much. And you'll see how relevant your piece of art is to the actual landscape. So we're flattered, we're very, very grateful, and congratulations on a very compelling piece of work.
I'm going to ask Tony to share with us a bit more information.
This map shows the location of our project on the eastern coast of Greenland, about a 2.5 hour flight in a twin otter from Western Iceland. And we acquired the Skaergaard Project in November 2020, and then proceeded with an independent resampling of historical exploration drilling, and then remodeled the geological model using modern geological software. This resulted in a revised mineral resource estimate, which has been supported by a very detailed 120-page independent National Instrument 43101 report, which was filed on CEDAR in May 2021. And this report confirms that Skaergaard was a project of global significance, with its large resource of gold, palladium, and the potential for other critical metals as well. One of the largest projects outside the traditional major PGM producers of Russia and South Africa, and with Greenland becoming increasingly important in its geopolitical location for these critical metals. I would refer investors for all the details on the project to the company website at www.majorprecious.com and to the 43101 report filed on SEDAR. We will very shortly, as the crew comes out on demobilization, be uploading some extensive photographs, pictures, drone shots of the deposit, which will be on our revamped website, hopefully sometime during the next several weeks. When we consider the detail of what we know so far about the Skaergaard deposit, one of the striking features, along with the uniform geology of the layered intrusion, is the unique precious metal content, focused on palladium and gold. Looking at those metals separately, we can demonstrate some 4 million ounces of palladium and 1 million ounces of gold already in the indicated resource category. And where it becomes very exciting is that we have close to 10 million ounces of palladium and 4 million ounces of gold in the inferred category in this uniform geological layered intrusion. For those of you that don't know, demand for palladium is still driven by the increasing palladium metal requirements in vehicle catalytic converters. And as emission standards are tightening worldwide, we believe palladium demand will continue to grow, particularly as traditional vehicle demand recovers from the pandemic, despite the inevitable electric vehicle EV penetration. Why invest in us on our new NEO exchange listing? Well, as I've said before, it all starts and ends in the market. We're reviving Skaergaard at a time when metal prices for the Skaergaard mineral content are robust. And as a final comment, we think it's a unique investment opportunity. We look forward to working with our partners at NEO to deliver this potential. And thank you very much for listening and for the kind remarks. And we're very happy to be with you on NEO.
Lots of other initiatives and great projects that are going to transform this vision into a great reality.